music on. I'm here to help keep you and
Looks like Abby.
You are about to come face to face with these magnificent creatures in a way that you might have to go back in time millions of years to experience. Of course, guest safety is our paramount concern. In the grooming stations, each specimen undergoes a complex, comprehensive examination after every running cycle. Every aspect of the animal's physical condition, ophthalmological, dental, respiratory, and cardiovascular, is kept under close and constant monitoring. Our internationally recognized team of more than 40 specialized veterinarians, as well as our elite team of over 25 scientists spanning every aspect of our unique brand of biogenetic engineering, is constantly focused on the health and well-being of our dinosaurs. We have painstakingly leveraged our existing and growing knowledge of avian and reptile biology, developing the foundations of this groundbreaking paleo-veterinary science that was designed and developed right here in order to formulate a complex game plan for how to properly care for and maintain these.
Raptor Close Encounter. Scan your ticket at an available station, and the screen will indicate which locker is assigned to that ticket. You won't be returning to this room, so you remember that number, symbol, or color to retrieve your items. You must put all of your loose items, except the park ticket, in the locker. Don't forget to empty your pockets. You will be going through metal detection. Make sure to empty any beverages into the sink before placing it in the locker. When you return, you will arrive to the other side of the lockers. So hold on to your ticket and look for key markers.
Thanks to Magiq.
Oh, that's awesome. Look.
Again for your attention and enjoy the rest of your day here at Universal Orlando Resort.
Make sure to
7, follow them all the way around. Follow them around.
Hello.
Locker base. Locker base 7 is going to be right up.
Let's prepare for your ultimate Raptor Close Encounter.
Locker base 6
Scan your ticket at an available station.
Remember your marker and head to your appropriate station. Take it.
Engineered with a reinforced carbon fiber body, this vehicle enables you to travel in complete safety. Once you are boarded, we will prepare.
Take part in VelociCoaster today. You may experience any of the following conditions. Health conditions are important blood pressure.
Enjoy the rest of your Jurassic Cinematic movie. Follow the instructions on screen. Lock and load. Enjoy.
Hi, thank you.
And the right up the stairs.
Yeah, I can definitely see where people are coming from comparing it to Maverick over at Cedar Point, but that's actually one of my favorite coasters, so that's by no means a bad thing.
Go there. He's working his coaster. I will. That's just the right?
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.